Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm your host, Ron, and thanks for spending some time with us today. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave any questions or comments you have down in the comments below. So, what are we going to talk about today? Well, how could we not talk about that gold just hit a major historic milestone by crossing the $3,000 an ounce threshold? The price action doesn't want to slow down either. If the record-breaking year of 2024 wasn't enough, 2025 is off to one heck of a start for our very favorite shiny yellow metal. According to Reuters, gold pops above $3,000 per ounce for first time in historic safe haven rally. Also from Reuters, gold surges past $3,100 as U.S. tariffs uncertainty propel safe haven flows. So let's take a closer look at why gold keeps breaking records. Here are 3 potential reasons gold is surging. Okay, first up, of course, economic and political uncertainty. The Wall Street Journal is saying that volatility surrounding trade wars, the health of the U.S. consumer, and geopolitical strife is pushing gold prices further past the $3,000 per ounce mark. They also said that tariffs and trade tensions are helping create a new generation of gold bugs. Wall Street hates uncertainty, and that could be why money is moving into gold. Reason number 2, central bank demand. According to the World Gold Council, central banks purchased over 1,000 metric tons of gold in 2024, making it the 3rd consecutive year of significant buying, and approximately double the average annual purchase amount for the prior decade. Central bank reserve buying has continued in 2025. And number 3, oh boy, national debt explosion. There's an uncomfortable truth many people want to avoid. Our debt is spiraling out of control. Our government has been adding trillions to the national debt. That means we could see a $54 trillion debt bomb over the next decade. $54 trillion. Does that sound sustainable to you? So what are hardworking Americans like you doing right now as gold continues to make history? Could gold surge even higher? Well, according to recent statements from Jeffrey Gundlach, famed American businessman and investor, gold continues its bull market that we've been talking about for a couple of years, ever since it was down to $1,800. He expects gold to reach $4,000 per ounce. So is it time you learn more about how precious metals can help you protect and diversify your savings before it's too late? Is all this uncertainty and price action turning you into a gold bug? I'm sure you all have opinions about this. Things are crazy right now. So make sure you fire up those comments in the comment section below because we want to hear it. And if you're looking to learn a little more about how precious metals might be able to help you and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially help safeguard their retirement savings, just give a call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. You see, Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. With over 6,000 5-star reviews and over $3 billion in precious metals placement, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. And Goldco is offering this free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. This thing will ship directly to your doorstep. All you need to do is click the link right below in the description. Well, that's it for today's market update. Don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.